Once upon a time, there was a sleeping lion in the forest. A mouse passed there. He started doing mischief with the lion. When the lion woke up, he was very angry. When the lion caught the mouse, it started crying and begging for forgiveness. The lion forgives him and saying that he does not play pranks with his elder. A few days later, a hunter threw a trap and the same lion got caught in the trap. The lion tried hard to get out of the trap but failed. In such a long time, the same mouse passed there. When the rat saw the lion trapped, it cut the net with its teeth and freed the lion. The lion thanked the mouse. So the mouse said that you also did me a favor and left me. Now I have repaid the favor and I am very happy about it. Moral: good deeds will surely be rewarded. As you sow, so you reap. Kindness is rewarded by kindness. Tit for tat.